Is your Outlook getting slow? Are too many old emails cluttering your inbox and making it hard to find what you need? There's a simple solution, and it's called Auto Archive. Outlook's Auto Archive feature can automatically move old emails out of your main folders to keep things clean and organized. In this video, I'll show you how to run the Auto Archive feature on your Outlook app. So without wasting your time, let's go to the computer screen. Here, first run the Outlook app. Before you start activating the Auto Archive feature, you need to configure some settings on your folders. Here in this left panel, all the folders are available. Simply select your suitable folder and right-click on it. Click on the Properties option. In the Properties window, select the Auto Archive tab. Now select this option. Archive items in this folder using the default settings. Simply click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. Following the same way, configure other folders for which you want to enable the Auto Archive. If you don't configure this setting on your folders, Auto Archive may not work properly. Once you configure the settings for your suitable folders, click on the File tab. Then click on the Options menu. Outlook Options window will appear. Here select the Advanced tab. In the Auto Archive section, click on the Auto Archive Settings button. Now in this Auto Archive window, you need to configure some settings. First, select the Run Auto Archive Every checkbox and select your suitable time period. For example, I am selecting 7 days, so Auto Archive will run every 7 days after saving this window. Select the other checkboxes as per your needs. In the Clean Out Items Older Than field, select how much older emails you want to archive. Then select the Move Old Items to option. Click on the Browse button, select a location where you want to save the archive PST file, and click OK. In case you want to permanently delete your old emails, select the Permanently Delete Old Items option. For now, I don't want to delete my old emails permanently, so I am selecting the Move Old Items to option. At the beginning of this video, I have shown you to configure your folder settings. If you don't want to configure it one by one, simply click on the Apply these settings to all folders now button. After configuring all the settings, click on the OK button. Again, click OK in this window. And that's it. Auto Archive is enabled now. This way you can run Auto Archive on your Outlook. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.